Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll guide you through how to change your Wizz Air flight date. First, log into your Wizz account either on the website or in the app. Go to your bookings and select the flight you want to change. This is where all your flight details are stored. Next, click on Details and then choose the Make Changes button. From there, select Change Flight. This option will allow you to update the date, time, or even the destination of your booking. Now, choose the passenger or passengers you want the change to apply to. You can update the whole group or just a single traveler. Then, enter the new flight details, the updated date, time, or destination you prefer. Once that's done, confirm the changes and pay any fare difference or change fees if required. But here's a tip. If you purchase Wizz Flex, you can make changes without paying a flight change fee, which is a great money saver. Finally, after everything is confirmed, make sure to check in again for your new flight and download your updated boarding pass. And that's it. That's how to change your Wizz Air flight date. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.